Hello, I'm Troy from A.R.E Manufacturing. We have over 45 years of precision manufacturing experience with a wide array of equipment. But what really sets us apart is how we use lean manufacturing to eliminate your supply chain headaches. While other shops tear down their tooling and work holding in between jobs, we dedicate your tooling and keep it assembled and stored in our vertical storage unit. This leads to faster turnarounds, consistent quality between runs, and eliminates setup time that can delay your production. We use industry-leading software such as SolidWorks, Esprit CAM, and ProShop ERP to make sure your part is right the first time and every time after that. From prototypes to production runs, we're your lean manufacturing partner. Contact us today to request a quote or schedule a facility tour. At A.R.E Manufacturing, we simplify the complex.